We've been working so hard in the garden all morning.
I know, it's been really hot out there and I can't wait to have something refreshing to drink.
Well, stay tuned and see how we cool off after a hard day's work.
Hi, I'm Debbie.
And I'm Courtney.
Welcome to the home of Almost Vegan Cooking School.
So it is so important to stay hydrated, especially here in Colorado, and especially when we're working outside in the summer. So today we're going to take our water up to the next level.
And I just love this idea because it's delicious, it's simple, and it's so beautiful. So this is a combination I haven't had before, Courtney, which is strawberries and basil together.
Yeah, and we have our garden produce here that we've added, and we're going to just add our fresh herbs. I'm going to clip off some basil here, which we brought in this plant from outside. So these leaves are nice and fresh.
And what I love about basil is I throw it in raw salads and on sandwiches and pesto, of course, but I haven't infused it in water, and I just love that idea. So this is the first time for me. Even these little, I don't know if you realize that, but even the little buds right here at the top of the basil, you can also use in your cooking.
And basil adds so much nutrients to this water. Basil is anti-inflammatory, it's anti-aging, it's antibacterial. It's just a wonderful way to add the color and the nutrients, and of course that delicious flavor. So the next version we're going to make today is cucumber mint.
And here's some mint for you.
All right, thank you. This mint is so easy to grow. If you do decide to grow mint, I recommend putting it in a container or its own separate space, because the roots can be pretty invasive and it will take over whatever container it's in.
And I thought it was interesting, Courtney, that you said don't plant all different kind of varieties of mint in one pot, because then they all start tasting the same. And it's kind of tempting when you're at the nursery because there are hundreds of varieties of mint and 24 different species. So there's a lot to work with. And I started growing chocolate mint this summer too, so I think I'm gonna try that with the strawberries.
That sounds delicious.
Well, we still have so much produce and herbs left, Courtney. I wonder if we could just do a free-for-all and see what happens.
Let's do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna add the mint. Little basil.
I'm gonna add the cucumber. I'm just gonna put it all in here. And strawberries. And just like the basil, the mint has so many health benefits. There's probably too many to even mention right now, but if you're interested, you should sign up for our newsletter and we'll just share some of that information with you.
That's a great idea.
So this was so simple, so beautiful, and so refreshing.
You know, if you want to start gardening and you haven't done it yet, really herbs are a great place to begin. All you need are a few pots, a sunny window, a porch, or a deck, and give it a try because it's so rewarding and you can add it to all kinds of things. Anyway, I'm getting thirsty, Courtney.
Well, why don't we try our infused water? You know, these have been sitting for about 5 minutes, but the longer they rest, whether it's on the counter or in the refrigerator, the more flavor that will add.
Yeah, so this is probably nice and delicate.
Delicious.
And you also mentioned, and I've noticed this coming over here, is that you like to do this for company too, in big pictures.
Yeah, it just makes some entertaining a little more special.
Yeah, a little more pampering. We hope you enjoyed our time together.
And if you like cooking with plants, be sure to visit almostvegancookingschool.com and enroll in our online cooking course.
It's all in an effort to heal our bodies, heal each other, and heal our world. One recipe at a time.